stateroom 6508 on the Disney Destiny. And this is an ocean view stateroom.
I sure do.
And there's a split bathroom here. And this one is Hercules themed. You can see it has a lot of space, sleeps 4 with a pull down there. The large porthole, lots of storage right there. And that is it.